In this video, I will show you on how to see all apps due for update on your Google Smart TV without any stress in a single click. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right there from your home tab or from your TV remote, you just want to make sure you look for settings on your TV remote. But if you cannot have setting icon on your TV remote, just go ahead and make sure you locate setting from the home tab right here. So I'm going to simply click on setting on my TV remote right here. Once I click on setting, click on OK. Once I click on setting, then click on OK on your remote. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go to apps. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on see all apps. Then here, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Click on show system apps. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Click on Play Store. Click on open. And then it's going to take you to Play Store right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you slide to the top and make sure you slide to the Google account of your Play Store. And the next thing you want to do is to click on OK. Then proceed to manage apps and game. And then you have all updates app right here. Click on update right here. You see all apps that need to be updated right now on your Google TV. The more you scroll down, the more you see all apps that are due for update. You can simply click on any one of them right here and update it instantly. Like for instance, if I want to update this is 13th July 2026. Just click on the app and then right here, simply click on update and allow the update to run completely and you are done. You can review and update as many as possible app on your Google TV without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.